It's David, Green Meadow Lawn Care. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to measure a lawn. There's a lot of different ways to do it. Different companies do it different ways. Some of them do it from their office, and they'll do it with a satellite. The problem with doing it from your office on a software program is you really can't see under the trees. One of the big flaws with this program, unless you're on site, you can't see under the trees. You can't see where the grass is. So if you're doing this at your office, you're cheating the customer and you're cheating yourself, or maybe both. So I'm gonna go around the property, I'm gonna find all the little boundaries, we're gonna get an accurate measurement, and we're gonna give a good price. So as you can see, I just walked the property. We found all the little ins and outs, where the grass is, where the grass isn't. And we've taken our measurements. We've dropped all these pins around the property. Here's the left boundary by the telephone pole. Here's where we came to that big tree. That big tree actually has grass under it, which we saw. But if I'm measuring this lawn from my office, I don't think there's grass under there, but it is. So we've got to include it to make sure it gets treated. Now I go back to this left back corner and I got a big pachysandra bed, as we pointed out. That pachysandra bed, we don't treat that, so we exclude that and we don't have to charge the customer for it. We move our array around to the back right corner and we see this big, beautiful tree right in there, which I pointed up to. There's all sorts of beautiful grass under there. We want to make sure it's included. Then we get out to the property line and here we are, we're coming back to the right boundary, which is the telephone pole. So what's happened is we've included all the areas of lawn that need treatment. Let's see how many measurements that program took. 25 different linear measurements gave us a square footage of 21,124 square feet. This is how we're going to charge the customer to make sure they're treated fairly and we're treated fairly, and we've got a win-win relationship that we're going to have.